Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the zoom presets for DaVinci Resolve. Available now at Storezar.com. If you haven't already, then go and watch my how to import presets tutorial on DaVinci Resolve. And when you've done that, let's begin. Now that your zoom presets are installed, head on over to the toolbox where you'll find your presets under the effects folder. As you can see, there are 3 different variations of this preset pack: 24 FPS, 30 FPS, and 60 FPS. Choose the one which matches the frame rate of your project, which you can find in the settings here. Now you can apply a zoom directly onto a clip, but I always recommend creating an adjustment layer and applying it to that instead. Now choose the zoom you want. I've created 9 folders with varying lengths of zoom. In each of these there are 12 custom zoom presets, all of which are super smooth and I use all the time in my videos. Each zoom has been custom keyframed by me and can be customized even further. Let's go through an example. I'll start by adding this zoom to an already created adjustment layer. In the Adjustment Layer Effects tab, I use this button to go to the last keyframe, and then I can change the size and the pivot point to land the zoom wherever I want it to. After you've done that, your smooth zoom is completed. Now, to alter the big bounce zoom in, you'll have to click on this button in the Effects tab to go into the Fusion page. Then you click on Spline, highlight all of these keyframe points, and drag it to change the zoom level. There's also a folder of continuous zooms in this preset pack, which work on any size of adjustment layer. Just drag it out to your own custom size and then drop that preset on there, and the zoom will be continuous throughout the whole thing. There are also a few zoom out presets. Just drag a new adjustment layer to where you want the zoom out to begin. On that first keyframe, set the scale and pivot to the same as where your last keyframes were on your zoom in. And there you have it, a zoom in and zoom out. Make sure that you go and check out www.storezar.com, sign up to our mailing list, and stay up to date with our most recent presets and courses. And also subscribe and make sure to check out our other tutorials on our other presets. Alright, see you later.